विकसित भारत 2047चे सपन साकार करपाक वजन आणि माप खात्याची भूमिका महत्वाची आसतली। केंद्रान दिल्ल्या मजतींतल्यान कुडचडे अत्याधुनिक लॅबोरेटरी उबारतले। हाका लागून गोंयांत अचूक माप उपकरणां सयत सत्यापन आणि तपासणेत सुदारणा जातली, अशें मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी सांगलें।
The financial assistance for this purchase of the new premises at the Kurchadim for the house of the working standard laboratory under the strengthening of the legal metrology wing scheme has been the instrumental. These new facilities will help to ensure the better calibrations, verifications, testing and standard across the Goa. To further strengthen the capabilities, it is already the Honorable Prahlad Joshi ji have declared for providing us the digital standard balance, CNG prover kits and other essential equipment for the OIML standards. So these tools will help our officers and to work with a greater patience and consistency. The theme of this conference, ease of doing the business, use of the digital technology and the consumer awareness, could not be the more relevant today. The digital transformations have changed the way of business operate. The same change must be reflected in our system and enforcement. When the department adopts the digital tools, they make the compliances easier for the entrepreneurs. The legal metrology can become a true partners in economic growth for making the procedure simpler. Friends, Goa is honored to host this landmark conference. The discussion that began here will shape the future of trade integrity and consumer trust in India. And as rightly the Secretary said, they'll submit the white paper to the ministry also. All the deliberation will happen here. Definitely it will be the implement in the future for the ease of doing the business. Let us work together to ensure that every single weight fairly, every transaction stand honest and every citizen feels protected. Legal metrology represents the balance between the growth and the responsibility.